Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jewlee Beautee and today I'm going to show you guys how I got this look. You guys, I put a poll on Instagram asking if you guys wanted a pink and yellow tutorial when really it came out like pinkish purplish with gold, but you know, this is still spring colors I guess, and it is pretty soft for an everyday look because you know I wear everyday looks looking like this. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, also do not forget to like this video because you know it's gonna be good, and also make sure you guys subscribe because I will be having a giveaway soon. And yeah, I love you guys and keep on watching. Let's just get started into this little video, this little tutorial. So I'm first going to prime my eyelids with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and like I always do, I always do my eyebrows before so that it saves time. And I did use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Soft Brown. Okay, so for my first shade, I'm taking this Morphe M576 brush, and I'm gonna go into my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm taking Golden Ochre, and I'm just gonna put that into my crease. Now with a Morphe M433. Most of my brushes are Morphe, so if I keep saying Morphe, I'm sorry. But I'm not taking that. I'm taking this blush trio from Maybelline, and I'm gonna take the blush in the middle. You guys can just take any pink blush that you guys have. So anyways, how are you guys? I'm so happy to be filming again. I don't know. Filming makes me happy. It's just like once I'm sitting here, I feel like, yes, okay. But like the preparation and stuff kind of is stressful. But I'm here now, and I wanted to make this video for you guys. You guys wanted a pink and yellow look, so this is what I came up with. Since it's like spring colors. And of course, I wanted to add some glitter. And I got new glitters when I went to California. So if you guys want a little, like, you know what, I'll just tell you guys. So I went to California because my mom is sick. She lives with me here in Texas, but she's been sick, and I just haven't, what am I trying to say? She's sick and we had to go to a hospital over there because Texas doctors don't help you unless you are a certain race. And so over there in California, they gave her all the help she needed. She's doing much better now. She's just on medication. I don't want to get too deep into what happened or whatever, but yeah, she's getting better, and right now she's over there again just so that she could spend some more time with family, because sometimes you just need to be with family to get better. I don't know. I didn't go because I have to work, but I went 2 weeks ago, so it's okay. I had my time with my family. But yeah, if you guys have me on Snapchat, you know that I've been asking for you guys to pray for me and my mom. Well, for us, because my mom is kind of like the head of the household. You know, if she's out of work, then we're kind of not doing so well. But with God's blessing, we have a house, we have a roof over our head, we have food, water. So I'm grateful that we are still, you know, stable no matter what we go through. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take that gold color that I have on my eyelid. It's really quick. This tutorial is like really easy. If I could find, oh, here it is. So I'm taking the chocolate gold bar palette, and I'm taking chocolate gold, the best one in this palette, and I'm taking a Morphe 124 brush, and I'm just gonna apply that color wet onto my lid. And these lashes are giving me life. Oh my gosh. then going back in with the M433, blending it out. Just because this is not a cut crease, it's just a regular eyeshadow, which I never do no more, but you know, I gotta start being basic. Just kidding. Never gonna be basic. Will never be basic. So I'm taking the NYX glitter glue. It's not a glitter glue, it's a glitter primer, but I call it glitter glue because that's what it is. It's like glue for your glitter. I'm taking this Morphe M326 with the glue and just applying it on wherever I put the gold shade. Now with this BH Cosmetics 142 brush, I'm going to take the Beauty Creations Gold Mine Glitter. It looks like this. And I'm just going to put that on the back of my hand as well because I don't want it to be super packed on glitter. I want it to be like a little bit of glitter. Not a little bit, but you'll see. Start dabbing. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take this Coastal Scents right here, Coastal Scents brush, and I'm gonna take Love Letter. And did I already do that? What the? I do not remember doing that. Wow. And I'm gonna put that in the outer corner. Then I'm gonna blend it in with my M433. Okay, so now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go apply some mascara. I'm taking the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Yeah, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Lash Paradise and then I'm going to apply some lashes and probably do my foundation and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and straightened my hair and put on my lashes, and the lashes that I used are, hold on, wait a minute, I feel like it's like all ugly back here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line so I could record another video because I got this. So for the lower lashes, I'm just gonna put the blush under my lashes. I'm taking the Morphe RG18 and it's just a little small fluff brush. And I'm taking the blush from this Master Contour Kit and putting that under my lashes. Under my lashes. By the way, I used the Too Faced Born This Way foundation and then the Naked Skin Urban Decay concealer. What else? What else did I get? What else did I get? Oh, and I used the BH Cosmetics blush palette. And for my contour, my bronzer, you guys already know, Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer is where it's at. And then the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. And then for inner corner highlight, I'm taking the Wet n Wild highlighting palette. And I'm taking this shade right here. And I'm going to take that on a wet brush. This one right here. And then on top, I'm going to take the blush and kind of transform that inner corner highlight into a pink-ish highlight. And then for the brow bone highlight, I'm going to use a matte white shade. And then for the highlight on my face, it's my favorite part. Highlight, I'm going to take the same highlighting palette. And I'm going in with my Morphe E61 brush. It's my favorite. If you guys really want it, go get it. Go and get it. Look at that. Oh shoot. So yeah. Oh shoot, I forgot. Hold on. You know, when I'm feeling myself, I forget a whole bunch of stuff. I'm gonna take some of this Roller Lash mascara and put that under my lower lashes. Okay guys, so this completes the look. I hope you guys enjoy watching this little mini spring tutorial. If you guys want more tutorials like this, very soft, well not soft because the glitter is not soft glam, but if you guys want more videos like this, then make sure you guys comment down below, and also make sure you guys like this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed before you leave, make sure you guys subscribe. I forgot the lip. You know what? I'm taking the Ever lip liner by NYX and just lining my lips. And then just gonna apply some lip gloss on top. And this is the Buxom lip glosses. The lip glosses on hold on. The 4-on lip creams from Buxom are going to be in the 21 Days of Beauty at Ulta. You know, I'm gonna get some. These are my favorite, but I only get them when they're on sale because I'm not paying $20 for one thing. That's just extra. So yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.